Hello guys, I'm going to show us a new method. Now this can go in two ways. Now for those that know how to analyze the market, they could make profit, and for those who just want to use Deriv mainly for arbitrage, then follow the step. Just select the indices you want. So in this case, I'm going to be using any of these crash or boom index. So in this case, I'll use boom 100. Now the thing about boom 100 is that the market moves slowly in a direction, then after a while there's a spike, there's a trend and there's a spike. If you look at this chart now, you can see this green, it happened at once. Okay, so this small red candles that you see is going to go down for a while, and then there'll be a spike. Now something about this market is you can't actually predict when the spike will happen, except maybe you draw a trend line, and that will need you to be on higher time frames. Okay, and there are some support and resistance lines, so if you know all those things, you can apply them. So I'm going to change my stake. So I'm going to be using 10, and let me use 1. Okay, so I'm going to use, let me use 10. Now something about this is I would say that we could actually make some profit cents, but the thing is, if there's a spike, we would lose money, and spike is not good. We don't want spike at all. So this is what we do. So this demonstration is for those who want to do the arbitraging part. You can open 100 positions without actually losing much. Okay, like on multiplier, the market moves very fast. Multiplier on other index, this is multiplier, but this indices is still minimal. So this is what you do. Follow the candle. This is boom, so you open up direction. So I'm going to open up now. Then you lose at least maybe 2 or 3 cents. So that's due to the network. So I'll open that again. Okay, so I have an open position now. Now if you actually know how to trade the market, then you can do analysis and just follow what your analysis is saying. But for those of us who want to just trade for volume, this is what we do. Follow. If you are trading boom, make sure you open up direction. If you are trading crash, open the down direction. Do you get that? So we could actually scalp a little profits in the opposite direction, but that's risky because any spike and we'll lose money, and that's not what we're after. Okay, so let's get to what I'm here to show us. So for this demonstration, I'm using 10 USD. So I'm going to open up direction because I'm trading boom. So now what you lose is actually the commission, but if you're not fast enough, you lose, or your network is not good. So I lost 3 cents. Now earlier it was 2 cents, but because it didn't show up quickly and the network was not that great, it added 1 cent to the commission. So I'll open another one, and if you're lucky, you could catch a spike that will give you profit. So I'm closing now. So I think I was able to close that. On 3. So 3. So you just repeat that for as many times as you want, maybe 50 times and 100 times. Don't use too much money, because the higher your stake, higher the commission. And make sure you have a good network when you are doing this. Okay, so let me try 50 and see what the commission is. Now go in. So the commission is going to be a bit high. I can see the commission is 0.05. So let's see. That was due to network. Okay, I think, wow, I just got a spike. So we can see that's a spike. So you could catch spike. So I'm going to keep trading up.